Good morning, guys! Happy Tuesday! It's Daddy's birthday today. Pero nasa CR si Daddy. And we did something pa-surprise sa kanya habang natutulog siya kagabi. I brought the happy birthday thingy. Tada! Tapos pinasulat ko yung dalawa. But anyways, we are getting ready. Our itinerary for today is... Ay, nasabi ko na pala sa vlog kagabi. But I also did not edit the vlog. Tinamad ako. It's Johnston Canyon and Lake Louise. But first, let's see our view outside. Good morning. Init-init ang ating talaga. Dahil lagi naman siya talaga umuusok. Yun yung swimming pool or the cave. So, lahat ng rooms facing inward dito sa pool. Pero, meron ding rooms dun sa kabila kasi nag-iikot kami kahapon. Meron ding rooms dun sa kabila na meron silang stairs pababa. Like, parang may patio sila leading to the street. Yeah, we remember the rooms we saw yesterday.
Also, why is it called the Fox Hotel if I haven't seen a real fox?
Do you want to see a real fox?
Sort of.
Okay, let's ask them.
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs?
Yeah.
What about Steve Jobs? You look like Steve Jobs? Yeah! Cute! Yeah.
Steve Jobs.
Sabi ko kasi mag-scarf. Kasi nagda-dry na yung mga fest.
Joy, look at Steve Jobs.
Anyway, see you later, guys. Ay, sabi ko kasi mag-big breakfast kami today kasi nga mahaba yung, alam na, sabi ko kasi gusto ko maaga kami mag-start. Tapos mag-big breakfast, maaga mag-start sa Johnston, Lake Louise, tapos balik dito sa downtown to eat. So, parang late lunch. So, nag-ubos sila ng mga binili kahapon. Nag-ubos ng Pizza Hut, tsaka yung tinake out kagabi. And as a maarte, na ayaw kumain ng malamig na food. Wala kasi kaming microwave dito. Hindi ako kumain. Sila kumain sila. So, hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. Hindi naman ako gutom totally, pero for sure, mamaya magugutom ako pag nandun na kami. Around Johnston Canyon, hindi ako sure kung may mabibilihan ng food. Nag-try ako mag-google. Last week, nagpa-plan ako nito. Parang wala. Lake Louise, I've been there na couple of times. So, malapit siya dun sa Fairmont Springs na hotel. And dati, may nabilang kami dun, parang sa hotel nila. Parang may mga bakery, pastry, ganun. Hindi siya talaga food. Like, more on coffee, tea, ganyan. Tapos may mga bread. So, just in case magutom talaga ako, yun lang yung option ko. Unless lalayo pa kami. Pero, wala sa plano yun. So, technically today, yung dalawa lang talaga yung nasa itinerary and we'll see later in the afternoon. Yeah, later we can go walk around the downtown, get some ice cream. Remember the cow? What's that? Yung famous na ice cream here? Cow? Moo? Something. I forgot the name. Pero tuwing nagpupunta kami dito, dun sa field trip, sa SAIT, diba? Lagi may field trip every semester. And speaking of, yung field trip this semester is on Saturday. And ako na naman yung na-assign na mag-work that day. So, uwi kami ng Thursday. And then Friday pahinga. Tapos Saturday, nandito ulit ako sa Banff. Pero yun nga, sayang kasi hindi namin maabutan. Snow Festival kasi starting Friday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. May mga ganap. May mga, yung ski joring na vinlog ko yun last year. Yeah, nandito rin kami last year. Yung, na-vlog ko yun. And yun ulit yung ganap this, pero kasi syempre, hindi ito timing sa birthday namin. Gusto ko nandito kami on our exact birthday. Hindi naman kami pwedeng like Monday to Sunday nandito kami. At saka, mataas na yung rate ng Friday, Saturday, Sunday kasi nga may event dito. It's a snow festival. Tapos alam ko sa Lake Louise may mga ice sculpture. If I'm not mistaken. Hindi ko alam kung free or may bayad na. Dalilito ako kasi alam ko, ginawa na nila yung ice sculpture tapos natunaw kasi nga hindi super lakas ang snow. So, nire-rebuild nila kasi nga for the festival. So, parang napasa kami bayad yata yun para lumapit and to see. Pero dun sa Lake Louise itself, libre naman yan. So, yeah. We'll see how it goes today. Ayan, we are out heading to Johnston Canyon. It's foggy at the top. Kita ba sa camera?
In 1.3 kilometers, turn left to merge onto Trans-Canada Highway 1 towards Lake Louise.
Like Louise. Who's Louise?
Who is Louise? I don't know.
Louise?
We're here, guys! We made it! Ayan, nakapag-picture-picture na kami. Siyempre, may OOTD na rin. Ando na yung tatlo. We're just gonna do a quick hike and see the falls. Lamig. Okay, we're just doing the shortest trail.
I want to do
Which
this.
is?
The short one.
I'm gonna go in the cave.
Where's this?
Okay. Merong 1.1 kilometer na trail. And yeah, sabi ko kahit yun man lang gawin na, kahit hanggang dun man lang. We just want to see the falls. I'm not sure if it's frozen, but it's highly likely that it's frozen.
Oh, we are living.
So yeah. We're still on a hike. We stopped by for some pictures kasi. So yung supposedly siguro mga 30-minute hike, magiging 1 hour. Okay guys, we made it here sa Lower Falls. Oh, malulobot na yung camera ko. Ang sad. Ito po yung unang falls. And there's a cave that we can go in. Let's go in. Come on guys, go. But there might be a lot of people.
Straight left.
Okay. Ta-da!
Behind there. So then that is not a faucet too. It isn't. Don't drop that. I said don't drop that.
Okay guys, we are on our way to Lake Louise. Doon na kami sa Lower Falls nagpunta kasi hindi kilometers. Okay, you can take a nap. We're almost there. 2.8 kilometers. Dito mas marami pang snow compared sa downtown or even yung kaninang drive namin papuntang Johnson Canyon. Dito mas snow pa. So pretty. We're here na, guys. Andun yung parking. And Lake Louise is over there. Are you excited to see
what?
Lake Louise?
It's
The
a
frozen lake. Aray ko. Kung marunong lang kami mag-ice skating.
How's it
Masaya.
special? It's a lake. How's it different from all the other lakes?
How many lakes have you been to?
None.
See?
Oh, what is it?
It's the first time you're gonna see a big lake and it's frozen right now.
Yeah, so it's not really a lake.
And it's
if
very
it's all
pretty,
ice.
magnificent, magical, and all of that.
What is magical? It's just a lake.
Kids cannot
What?
kids cannot appreciate nature.
What? How dare you?
Let's go. Nice. It's all frozen.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, shimmy, yeah.
Okay, I need to change na to my phone for vlogging kasi lobat na yung phone, ay yung camera ko. Lobat na yung camera ko. Ayan. Ay, gutom na kaming lahat. We're hungry. And hindi ko sure dito sa hotel. Ito yung ano tawag dito? Fairmont Hotel. And ano, ang stay dyan is around 1,000 per night. So, hindi natin afford dyan. Later on in life siguro dyan. Super ganda, guys. Wait lang, ang hirap mag-vlog kasi with the gloves. Dito yung skatingan. It's either you bring your own or may narerentahan yata. But we're not gonna attempt because it's a waste of money. Tapos wala pa siyang rails sa gilid na pwede mong hawakan. So this is for those na marunong na talaga, no? Okay. So nice. Okay, punta na tayo sa parking. It's snowing a little bit. Or ewan ko kung snow yun or mga particles from the tree na nahuhulog. Anyway, Tom Jones na. So, heading back to Banff, downtown. And eat. Magkaalauna na yata. We're here na, guys, sa downtown again. That was around 40 to 45 minutes drive from Lake Louise going back. And we're gonna eat at Arashi Ramen. Let's see if they will allow cookie in the bag. I'm so hungry. Meron ding Banff na sign dun. This one is also famous, Grizzly House. Pero medyo mahal. But ano sila yung, kalimutan ko yung cheese fondue na, yeah, lahat ng pagkain nila merong cheese fondue nila. Okay. Okay, here kami sa Arashi. Ramen Arashi. I'm so hungry. Dito na yung order namin. I got the Arashi. Daddy got, what's yours? Spicy tonkatsu. Original. And chicken karage bowl.
I'm so hungry, but I finally get my food.
Is it good?
Yes. I didn't spicy my own side.
Here na, we're done eating. We're gonna get some ice cream at Cow's. Ooh. Shy? Should be open. Door is heavy. Our door might be heavy, but we're here to serve you. Go. It's just heavy.
It's either graham cracker dough chocolate cheesecake
Wait.
Oreo cookie or
Yes.
Maple walnut? Gooey movie?
Okay, we're having ice cream. What's your flavor?
coconut cream pie. I
And
know.
then,
They have like the
What's yours?
chocolate cheesecake. What?
and I'm having gooey movie. Daddy, ayaw niya na. I love it.
Hey guys, welcome to the video. I got ice cream.
I'm on the vlog, remember? I just vlogged you.
I know, but yeah.
Yeah.
I got coconut cream pie. You know, I already said that like a second ago. And I'm actually minutes. I'm very talkative.
Yeah, you are.
And I sort of have anger issues. Why am I talking?
Yeah, why are you roasting yourself?
I don't know. I just sort of do.
Okay. Lumabas kami ulit ni Daddy. Going to Dollarama to buy water. And chit-chat daw ng mga kids. Naiwan na yung dalawa dun sa room at gusto na maglaro. So, yun na lang ni Daddy. Hey, hi! Pabalik na kami. Ang ganda na paggabi na rin. Ano yung mga ilaw. Anyway, hindi kami sa Dollarama nakabili ng water kasi maliliit lang yung bote. Walang ganon. Pero kaming grocery na pinuntahan and may nabili na rin kaming dinner ng dalawa. Merong nilutong ulam and then per 100 grams yung presyuhan. So, merong fried rice, chicken fried rice. Tapos, merong mga chicken wings na honey garlic, salt and pepper. Yung mga tipo ng dalawa. So, binila na namin. Kasi parang buffet style siya, ikaw maglalagay. So, naglagay ako maraming kanin. Tsaka, manok nila. Pag timbang ko, 830 grams. So, nasa $24. Pero okay na din, dalawa naman na sila doon mag-share. Kung kakain din kami sa labas, feeling ko mahal. Mas mahal pa doon per order ng isa. Ewan ko, tsaka hindi na rin lalabas yung dalawang pagod na yan. Kami ni Daddy, super busog. Baka, mag-drinks kami din sa Chili's. Baka, or bukas na. We'll see. Maaga din kami bukas sa aming itinerary. So, yeah. Yeah, maghahatag kami ni Daddy. Ayun na si Mama ng dalawa. So, kami na lang. Ito yung change room. May showeran din doon. Tapos may mga lockers doon. Let's go! Ayan, dito na kami. Init, Daddy. Ha? Mainit. Pero after a while, nakaka-adjust naman yung katawan. Sarap. Okay guys, it's the end of our day. Fresh na ulit. And pinag-iisipan ko pa ng malala kung mag-edit ako ng vlog or itutulog ko na kasi I'm so tired. And maaga pa kami bukas. Sana pala hindi ko na dinala yung laptop ko, no? Pero, yan, nainis kasi ako na magpapalipat-lipat pa ako from my camera na memory card. Tapos hahanapin ko siya dito sa phone ko dahil sa dami kong videos. Yung mga videos ko, usually na pang reels, pang story, syempre patayo. Yung mga vlog ko, pahiga. So, iisa-isahin ko pa natatamad ako. So, anyways, tomorrow's agenda is gonna be another fun activity and one of my bucket list. And we are gonna cross that out tomorrow because we are going to do the gondola. And yeah, so we're gonna be going up the mountain, Sulphur Mountain, and yun, it's gonna be a new experience for all of us. Kinakabahan ako for Zeb kasi feeling ko matatakot siya sa heights. Pero before booking this, pinakita ko sa kanila, si Zach go na go. Si Zeb, syempre, nag-aalangan ayaw. Pero pag nandiyan na, wala na siyang choice kasi syempre, ma-overcome niya din yan. So, hindi naman siya yung sobrang takot na iiyak o na umiyak or na sinabing ayaw. Pero, yeah, I think we can push on. Is yung ride sa gondola paakyat is just 4 minutes. And then, pagbaba mo doon, we'll see tomorrow, pero based on research, pagbaba mo doon, meron pa ulit mga stairs na akyatin to reach the peak itself. So, you can see the view of all the mountains na tabi-tabi, like yung Cascade Mountain, the Three Sisters. I forgot the names of the other mountains, pero yun, you can see 360 degrees na view ng mga mountains. So, yeah. Tapos, kung bababa ka na, so another 4 minutes na, mabilis lang yun. So, kaya magagahol din ako na mag-vlog with my camera, mag-vlog using my phone. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna end the night. I will see you on the next vlog tomorrow. Bye guys, good night. Oh yeah, birthday ko pala bukas. Nakalimutan ko. See you on my birthday tomorrow. Charot. Bye.